Combining cutting-edge and world-first technologies. The 2017 Acura NSX is the only supercar designed, developed, and manufactured in the U.S., with production exclusively at the Performance Manufacturing Center in Marysville, Ohio. A precision-crafted tour de force, the NSX showcases groundbreaking production techniques in body construction, engine development, body painting, assembly, and vehicle quality.
When we embarked on this project, we said, what do we want this car to be? What we ended up realizing is a new level of craftsmanship.
The NSX story begins at the nearby Anna engine plant, where components of its space frame are created using a revolutionary new casting process called ablation casting.
No one else in the world is making castings this way. We pour molten aluminum into that sand mold package. Within 12 seconds, we're spraying water on that, and we're getting water right to the molten aluminum.
It's the fastest way you could possibly cool molten aluminum. It's faster than any other casting process, so that rapid cooling is what gives it the strength properties that we were looking for.
The result is super lightweight parts of superior rigidity and an unprecedented level of flexibility in the vehicle's design and aerodynamics. The heart and soul of the NSX is its powerful 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine built in Anna. Each one taking 6 hours to build and balance. Each one the work of a single master engine builder.
We wanted that craftsmanship and that feeling of ownership from the associate. It's huge because they know, essentially their name is on that engine.
Our mantra is either 0 defects or 100% pass. There are no in-betweens. Everything has to be perfect.
Each power unit, comprising engine, 9-speed dual-clutch transmission with direct drive electric motor, and front twin motor unit, is bench tested and broken in to ensure that every NSX is ready when the customer receives it.
We evaluate every gear, the individual components we single out.
I bring the engine into the break-in area here in QSD, and we break it in. We run it at 2,000 RPM for 5 minutes, 3,000 RPM for 20 minutes, and then 4,000 RPM for another 20 minutes. We can collect all data, ensure quality, so the customer can go to the lot, pick it up, and tear out of the driveway.
The weld department showcases all robotic MIG welding. 8 robots applying approximately 900 MIG welds with surgical accuracy and precision.
It is a 100% automated process, primarily for maintaining the weld and structural integrity.
No one else rotates the entire car. By doing that, we're able to access all sides of the car to get the highest body accuracy possible.
No matter how many times I walk past it, my hair stands looking at the entire trunnion spinning around and allowing that robot to weld at its perfect angle.
The NSX's unique synergy of man and machine is also embodied in its paint process.
As we go through paint, we had a combination of robotics and manual application in order to achieve that finish that this level of customer expects.
The whole concept of just painting the exterior panels separately and achieving that jewel-like paint finish on each exterior panel gives me goosebumps.
When it comes to the NSX's assembly, hand craftsmanship complements high-tech robotic processes. Every bolt is hand-started by a master technician.
We have 12 stations online with 14 people building the car. So it takes about an hour per process to complete what needs to be done. And there's just a lot of the different things that we do to try to make sure this car is the crafted car that it should be.
Finally, technicians from every department monitor every aspect of the vehicle's quality.
Being the last one's a touch car, it's up to us to make sure the car is perfect when it leaves here.
They'll finish up their chassis visual, alignment, headlight adjust, their dyno test, shaker booth, and then shower test.
We started from the ground up developing a vehicle from a blank sheet of paper into this amazing car.
It's extremely rewarding because the NSX is such an iconic vehicle, has such an iconic heritage.
First time you drive it, you have this sensory overload of like, wow, we built this.
To me, the NSX is an epiphany. This car is awesome.